Looking to revive your Intermec PM4i or PF4i thermal barcode printer? This replacement printhead might be just what you need. Specifically designed for these printer models, this 203dpi Printhead promises to bring your label printing back to life. This unit is an OEM replacement, meaning it's built to meet or exceed the original manufacturer's specifications. It offers a cost-effective alternative to buying a brand new printer when your printhead wears out. The listed part numbers: Intermec 1-010043-901 959032-002 ensure compatibility, so you can be confident it will fit and function correctly with your Intermec printer. Inside the box, you'll find one thermal printhead compatible with both PM4i and PF4i 203dpi models. Installation should be straightforward, but always refer to your printer's manual for specific instructions. Get Parts offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing peace of mind. If you're not satisfied with the printhead's performance for any reason, you can return it for a full refund. Additionally, there's a 3-month warranty or 30 kilometers print guarantee, whichever comes first, protecting against manufacturing defects. With a resolution of 203 by 203 dpi, this printhead is designed for clear, crisp monochrome printing. It utilizes thermal printing technology, a standard in barcode printers for its speed and reliability. While it doesn't offer color printing or auto-duplexing, it focuses on delivering high-quality, dependable barcode and label output. If you're experiencing print quality issues with your Intermec PM4i or PF4i, such as faded or distorted barcodes, consider replacing the printhead. This replacement option offers a balance of performance, value, and warranty protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.